Sorry, it's giving you the chargers.
That started.
It started. It's cold too. Was it like in the 20s? Yeah, 20s. Good old Cranky carbureted cold start. On the 1969 Jeep CJ5. Uh-oh. Oh, I was just gonna start it. I was gonna step on the gas because I was gonna start stuttering and shutting off. It's a Jeep thing.
You should just back to the garage.
Oh, you should just let it.
No, you guys shut the choke off on him. He doesn't need much fuel. Yeah.
Oh, my hand's freezing.
You have the idle up?
Idle with the choke on a little bit, but normally you have the idle on with the choke off.
Are you gonna try it again?
See? Wet. Put the chargers on him.
What are those Flowmaster 40s? Or 44s?
Flowmaster rip-offs, they're sure.
Oh, they're Thrush, that's right. That are knockoff ones.
Is this
Headers with Thrush. What?
Oh, it's rust.
Oh, it's not for mine.
Oh.
It's getting cold in the garage.
Alright.
Get this put away.
We gotta push her in.